Wait before you scroll. This one video could literally change your financial life forever. No cap. No clickbait. Facts only. I'm about to show you exactly how teenagers and students are making real money online right now in 2026. Stay till the end because the best method is saved for last. Let me be real with you for a second. You wake up every single day going to school or college studying hard, following all the rules, and what do you get? Nothing. No money. No freedom. No results. Meanwhile, kids your age, same age as you, are sitting at home making hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every single month online. The difference between you and them. They discovered what I'm about to tell you. And nobody, not your school, not your teachers, not even your parents, ever told you this stuff. That ends right now. The internet economy is worth trillions of dollars. And the crazy part, all you need to access it is a smartphone and Wi-Fi. That's it. No degree. No experience. No startup capital. No office. No boss. You already have everything you need. The question is, are you going to USC eTour, keep scrolling past your opportunities single day? Method 1, freelancing on Fiverr. Listen carefully. Do you know how to type fast? Can you write a simple paragraph? Can you make a basic design on Canva? Can you edit a video on CapCut? Any of those skills is worth real money to someone. Here's what you do. Go to Fiverr.com right now. Create a free profile. List your skill as a service. Set your price at even $10 to start. Buyers from USA, UK, Canada, they will find you. They will pay you through PayPal directly to your account. Students are making $50 to $500 per single gig doing things they already know how to do. This is not a dream. This is Fiverr. And it is 100% free to start. Method 2, Faceless YouTube Channel. And before you say, I'm too shy, or I hate camera stuff, you don't need your face. You don't need your voice. You don't need to show anything about yourself ever. Here's the formula. Pick one topic you're interested in. Finance, gaming, study tips, motivation, cooking, history, anything. Use free AI tools like ChatTop to write your scripts. Use free tools like Canva or Pictory, create the visuals. Upload to YouTube consistently, -3 videos per week minimum. After just 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you automatically. Every single view, every single ad makes you money. Even when you're sleeping. Even when you're in class. Even when you're doing nothing. One faceless channel can make $500 to $5,000 per month. And it grows every single month as long as you keep posting. This is the most powerful long-term money mechanism available to students right now. Method 3, reselling. This one is so simple it's almost embarrassing that more people aren't doing it. Go to OLX or Facebook Marketplace right now. Find items being sold cheap, old phones, furniture, electronics, clothes, anything. Buy them. Clean them up. Take better photos. List them on a different platform at a higher price. That difference in price? That is your profit. Pure and simple. No skills needed. No experience needed. Just hustle and smart eyes. Some students are flipping items and making $200 to $1,000 per month just doing this part-time between classes on their phones. Now, I promised you the best method saved for last. And here it is, combining all three. Start with reselling. It gives you immediate cash. No waiting. Money this week. Use that cash to invest to maintain your Fiverr profile, build your skills, get reviews, start earning per gig. Then take that stable income and use it to fund and grow your faceless YouTube channel, which eventually becomes your full passive income machine. This is not 3 random ideas. This is a system. A step-by-step money blueprint that any student can follow starting from absolute zero. Resell to survive. Freelance to grow. YouTube to retire early. Let me leave you with this. Every second you waste right now, someone your exact age is building their wealth online. The internet does not care about your age. It does not care about your grades. It does not care about where you come from. It only, and I mean only, rewards people who take action. So the question is simple. Are you going to keep scrolling, or are you going to start? The choice you make in the next 60 seconds will change the next 60 years off your life. Think about that. If you are serious, and I mean dead serious, about building wealth as a student, then follow moneymodernizedYT now. Because every single day you come back with strategies, money tips, and income blueprints that your school never taught you, your teachers never told you, and most adults don't even know. This is your unfair advantage. This is your edge. Tap follow. Turn on notifications. And let's build this future together. See you in the next one. Let's get it.